Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the automatic backup function on the GoodNotes application. In case you lose or damage your device, you will be able to turn on the backup function, thereby finding your folders and documents in your GoodNotes library, and you will be able to restore them anytime. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on settings and then click on backup, automatic backup. Then click on this button, auto backup. As you can see, you should sign into your cloud service account to back up. So as you can see, by tapping on the cloud storage button, you can select from these three options: Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Tap on the relevant one, and by going back you can sign into your Dropbox, to your chosen account. You can also select these options: upload only over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can also select your destination folder, your file format, and you can set the excluded folder and file names. If you are done with adding these information and with these changes, tap on the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.